Hello, every pony. Bonnie Spark here. I'm a little sick, so don't mind my voice. Now is the tutorial on how I make my thumbnails in Magma. It's pretty easy, really, but I'll go step by step. So here I have Magma open. Don't mind the favorites bar, please. So all I do is import a file. I'll use the one I'm currently using. Just import a file like that. Favorite it, of course, so I don't lose it. Then I go paste file. The first image, which is Rarity, I resize her a tiny bit, then I move her to where I want her. Then the second image, this being my OC, so I search for her. Which she's right here. Import her, resize her to the size I want. Perfect. And then I just move her to where I want her. Perfect. Then I do the text. And I do which size I want it. So for the tutorial, it's going to be 300. And yeah, that's basically how I do them. It's quick, easy, and fun. It's quick, easy, and you will get the hang of it once you know how to do this. But yeah, that's how I basically do my thumbnails in Magma. Oh, sorry for gagging. I'm a little bit sick right now. I woke up feeling like this, so yeah. Anyways, I'll see you all next time. Or for the next video, of course. Goodbye, every pony.